Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today, the 3rd of February. Last day of the week, and big up and big down day yesterday, pretty much. Well, day before was a big up, yesterday was a big down. If you have a look at that on the daily. Trend is still up. We've come back into this area of support. Haven't found support, but we've dropped into it. But I think the concerning thing for me on the weekly is we're starting to form a big rejection bar off the 155 EMA. So moral of the story for today is we've still got non-farm payroll, so I think I will sit quietly and wait for that bit of data to come out. If you look at the hour, we were above the moving average. Now we sort of just dropped below the moving averages. So yeah, I think data fueled week, and this is basically based on data that came out. So for me, this is still sit on hands. Not really interested in this at the moment. US dollar, Japanese yen, kind of a similar situation. Trend is still down, obviously. We've broken through the zone of what was support, which could be resistance, could be a flag forming. But look at my oscillators. I don't think that's conducive to tracing shorts at the moment. And the other thing we need to worry about here is look at the price action yesterday. Big up, big down. Lots of buyers coming in here. A bit of diversions here as well between these two swing lows. So if we do recapture the zone at 129.231 and 129.045, then it could build a base for a move back up. But I think what will happen then is you'll probably find we're going to just form a bigger and wider range. So for me at the moment, the dollar is sit on hand, stay away from it. Actually just enjoy the long weekend. Don't bother with the dollar. There's going to be a lot of data today which will probably drive it in another direction. Moving on to the pound, there's obviously a lot of data on the pound yesterday as well. It was negative against the pound. And pound yen at the moment is sort of continuing its move to the downside, which we were looking at that yesterday. And if we have a look at this on the hourly, you can see we had a bit of a range here, right there, and then you had the data come through here. So let's just have a look at the data release on a 15-minute, and you can see the rejection there. So pretty much everything is hunky-dory, and then there's two levels here that you would have been able to watch on the 15-minute. It would have been that one and that one. So in the range, in the middle of the range, you can see there is structure right there and right there. So that was the rejection area, and you probably find it on the 5 minutes. There's the green confusion bar, rejection, so entry below it. Relatively huge stop loss, to be honest, so not many people would have traded that, but anyway, price action is was definitely there for a trade. So at the moment, what you're looking for, let's just get this, you're looking for pullback onto structure, and you can use these levels to the downside, but this would be ideal. So you're looking for a move back to 158.873 for another leg down. This is forming a bit of a flag, so it could just bounce back up. Something like this. There's no real structure. Oh, there is. Okay. So you've got 157550, or alternatively you've got 158051. So price gets back into this would be this falling wedge target would be up in this zone. Then you need to just watch to see what's happening. I'd watch it 15-minute. If you get the 15-minute price action, then hop in, stop above the price action, and you are looking for pretty much this gap. So your target is going to be around 156339. Still a bit of data coming out today, so anything can happen, so just make sure you're trading off structure. Lastly, euro, British pound. Obviously British pound data, you can see there's this massive pin bar that has formed. Just put your level in there. Obviously for that to play out, we'd have to be looking for a break below it, and at the moment we've got a confirmation bar to the upside right now, so I wouldn't read too much into the pin bar just yet. If we look at this on the hour, pretty much the same as the Euro USD. Big up, big down, big up. So massive confusion. We are in an uptrend. So technically, I should be looking to see what happens here. If we get back onto 088990, I'm looking for price action on that level, which would be inside bars, pin bars, or engulfing bars. Looking to buy on the break of that price action, stop just below it for a continuation to the upside. On the other side of the coin, as we start dropping below this 088771, I'd want to see a pullback. I'd want to see a sort of a break and then a pullback to come and test it before considering looking at shorts. So at the moment, I think we're probably just going to muck around in a pretty wide range while we get more data out today, and the markets are sort of trying to figure out what direction to go in. So that's kind of my view today. I think for Forex, it's probably a wise choice just to sit back and wait. Indexes, we'll have a look now, but Forex definitely not worth getting involved in at the moment. Too volatile, stops are too far away, and if it goes against you, it's going to burn you. On the flip side of it, if it goes in your favor, it could be relatively big wins, but I don't think it's worth the risk. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and enjoy the weekend. We'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. No, we won't. We'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Enjoy the weekend. Cheers for now.